Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, March 9th, 2022. Let's start with the Forex calendar, of course. The key data overnight were from China, where the CPI and PPI data had been released. As you can see, CPI is in line with the expectations, 0.9%. However, PPI is increasing from is better than expected, right? Because the expectations were 8.5, actual reading 8.8, but it's not decreasing because the last reading was 9.1%. So actually 8.8, the reading of 8.8 means it is decreasing. During the London session, we don't actually have any important data. We got some Deputy Governor Guy Debelle speech at 9 o'clock, which is in 10 minutes from now. And then we got the industrial production data from the Italy. During the New York session, we got the API crude oil inventories. That's gonna be interesting to see what is going on here. We got the 10-year-old bond action and 10 years and JOLTs job opening. So not important data at all for the traders. They don't have much importance. They don't have much influence on the price behavior. So I think we should take a look at the Australian dollar again due to the Chinese, of course, data and Deputy Governor speech. So let's take a look at the Australian dollar. Daily time frame chart, just the same as yesterday, and we have the confirmation of the rejection. So we got bearish engulfing pattern with a very long upper shadow, confirmation from yesterday. Today we got, so far at least, inside bar. So what is going on here? Any update? The technical support right now at 7,252 pips holds for now. It holds. So now temporary change the color to green. If it is broken, then the next support is 7,141, which is 111 pips lower. We might have some kind of a bounce. However, the level of 7,317 should cap the bounce, and then of course we should see another wave to the downside. If we break below the level of 50 points on the area side, that would mean we will definitely go towards 141 pips very soon. So that's the Australian dollar. We will see what the whether the influence regarding the Guy Debelle speech will give us a boost of volatility on this pair. We should definitely take a look at the US dollar to Japanese yen. Why? Because we have a breakout. Daily time frame chart of the US dollar to the Japanese yen is showing us a sign of a breakout. Right now, the level of 115.78 is the technical resistance. However, today we already have a high of 115.93. Now we are going to travel higher. So the bulls might test the level of 116.35. so this is the level here. That's the level, and of course if we break above this level, then we have a continuation of, let me just zoom out, of this whole multi-month up move, right? So we are here. To put it into the perspective, we are here and we are continuing to rally higher. This pattern here of a double top might be invalidated soon, and that would mean the bullish strength is very big. So please keep an eye on the US dollar to Japanese yen. Let's take a look at the crude oil daily time frame chart. As you can see, we got 5 waves to the upside, with the wave 5 extremely extended, right? We almost hit 200% of the extension, right? So this level here, 132.04, is the extreme extension. The local high of the wave 5 was at the level 130.44. This is the inside bar this is the inside bar which hits the level of 126.80. So we almost got there. However, the volatility of the crude oil is very big. We can see interesting pin bar here. This pin bar looks like a kind of a shooting star candle. This one is inside bar. We will see what is going on here. Now the level of 108.06 and 115 will act as a technical support and supply. Sorry, demand zone, of course. So let's change this demand zone to green. So this will be the demand zone for now, at least for now. There you go. This will be the demand zone, and it doesn't actually looks like the crude oil wants to stop going up, despite the fact that RSI is extremely overbought. Okay, we don't see any sort of momentum slowing down. So sooner or later we might hit 200%. 152.04 and even extend this move higher, because already this on a daily time frame chart looks like that. So that levels has not been seen in many years, of course, and it looks like this kind of overbought on the crude oil doesn't mean at all right now. It's not the point of interest for the financial markets, especially for the crude oil traders, and the whole industry have entered very difficult times. Oil is going up. It's not the end of the oil rally. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is showing the sign of strength. What is going on here is very clear. We got this ABC pattern to the upside, then we managed to go a little bit lower towards 37,000. However, we recently broke back above 40,000. Of course, as long as we trade below this zone here, this pink zone, which is the supply zone, and as long as we are not inside the channel, the outlook remains bearish. However, very interesting candle has been shown here. Momentum is positive. Momentum is at 53 points. So the bulls are slowly but steadily gaining attention, gaining the momentum to the markets. If we break above 41,815, then the next target is, of course, the infamous supply zone. So please keep an eye on this market right now. Let me just zoom in to see what is exactly going on. Yes, everything is as planned. If we are back inside the channel, that would mean this whole structure here was just a fake downside move, and it will be apparently very bullish for Bitcoin. What is the silver doing? We haven't seen silver for quite some time, and as you can see, we have a breakout as well. We broke out of this channel. It was the rising channel, of course. So let me just extend it to the newest data. So we broke above this channel. We have the new high here, and right now, as you can see, we made a local, it's not even local, it's a swing high, 26.90. so this is almost $27 per ounce of silver. We are going higher, of course. All of these levels right now are being deleted because those are old levels. The technical support is seen at 24.67, sorry, and 25.37 together with, we need one more level. It will be around the 25.50, I guess. This is the level of 25.57. Target 26.98. This high 26.98 is the high of 2021, one of the levels, of course. However, If we take a look at this chart, now we have completely different perspective. If we break above 26.98, basically $27, next target is roughly around 28.70, $29, and then we got this big supply zone. So please keep an eye on these levels, because it looks like the silver started to move higher, way higher than it is right now. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.